Hello guys, it's me again, and welcome to the 2016 $815 PC build guide. This is my friend's first PC that I helped him build, and before we talk about specs, let's talk about performance. On Battlefield 4, we got about 42 frames per second on ultra settings at 1080p. Grand Theft Auto 5 ran at about 60 frames per second at very high settings at 1080p. In 3D Mark's Fire Strike, we got an overall score of 6012. And now for the specs. To put everything in, we have a Corsair Carbide series Spec 02. To power the computer, we have a Corsair CX series 500 watt semi-modular power supply, which is 80 plus bronze certified. For storage, we have a 240 gigabyte Kingston SSD and a 1 terabyte Western Digital Caviar Blue. For RAM, we have two 4GB sticks for a total of 8GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM. The graphics card is an ASUS STRIX GTX 960 with 4GB of DDR5 VRAM. The CPU is an Intel Skylake i5-6500. The motherboard is a Gigabyte LGA 1151 micro ATX board with a name I'm not even going to try to say. The graphics card has 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, and 1 DVI port on the back, and the motherboard has 1 HDMI, 1 VGA, 1 DVI, 1 Ethernet, 6 audio jacks, 1 PS2, 2 USB 2.0, and 4 USB 3.0 ports on the back. The front of the case also has 2 USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, and a microphone jack. The rest of the video is just a build log of me and my friend putting the PC together. That's actually a pretty good looking motherboard, dude.
There. I don't know what good looking ones look like.
Oh, for not very expensive, it's pretty good looking. Okay. So let's start with the dedicated RAM. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to use the same colored ones.
Oh.
So there's 4 slots in here, and the ones that are the same color work together better, basically. So we're gonna want to open. We're gonna put in the gray one.
Plastic on there.
Just leave it. No, just leave it.
Leave it. The gray one. It causes so much problem.
Why isn't it? Oh, only one side opens, right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So you want to just slide it in.
Just slide it
evenly. Yeah.
Yay. Slide in. Slide. Can't see this one.
Yeah, you got it. There we go. Yay.
He's bending it.
Yeah. So you want to line up the arrow and be very quick.
Is that good? Where's the arrow? Oh, there.
It's the big arrow. It's a lot bigger than you think. Wait. This is a terrible angle. We don't know what we're doing.
Where's the arrow at? Right there.
It's that big arrow.
Oh. This is gonna go horribly.
Alright, now just put it in there gently.
I can't do that.
It should just rest in there. Is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, now close it. And then close the retention arm.
Does not sound good.
Yeah.
It should just pop out. Just go with it.
Just go with it.
Yeah, it should.
How do you put it back in?
Why isn't it popping off?
Uh-oh.
Let's just take it off.
Screw up.
Alright, now pull it down and then just put it underneath.
Underneath what?
There's that little thing right there.
Oh.
It's behind the RAM.
Yay.
There we go. Let's see, how are we gonna... Okay, that's too far away. That's about right, and then we can, so you're gonna wanna align it properly, like that. should fall in place.
The corner.
And then just push it in through the corners.
Did I get that?
That one's in. It says turn it.
Turn it.
So oh, okay.
Turn to the right?
Yeah, there's a little arrow.
Yeah.
And that'll just lock it in place, I guess.
Turn towards the arrow.
Yeah,
There you go.
Yay!
And then we're gonna wanna plug
Shouldn't we move it first?
this in.
It's an endless debate.
It's an endless debate. That's. Oh yeah, if we face it down, then the lettering's. Okay, so we're gonna wanna. Slide it in there.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
And then there's some screws here or on the other side? From the inside.
Like this?
Yes.
Like that.
And I'm guessing it'll be.
Ah, fan.
Yeah, that looks about right. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to put it in and sort of slide it. Put it in, sort of slide it into the I/O shield.
This is a freaking fan cable.
Ugh.
Oh yeah. It's a beaut.
It's not.
I think it's in there.
Really?
It looks. Oh wait, your cord things are stuck right here. But I don't. That's kind of a big deal, but kind of.
No, it has to go farther in.
Yeah, that's what I
So just keep pushing. Unless we put it. No, we didn't put it in wrong. I'm questioning myself.
Oh my.
It was made in China.
No, don't.
Wait.
Oh, we didn't put it
Yeah.
down far enough.
Oh.
Alright, now it seems in there. You gotta make sure it's like actually has a standoff underneath it.
I don't know.
This looks like it has one.
Probably.
And yes, there are extra standoffs because this is a smaller motherboard. Yeah, there you go. No, flip. So we want
like this.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, Louis, aim it at that.
There.
Yeah, and then Louis, come over here.
You want to flip it around so we can plug it in. Yeah.
Oh wow.
So it should just slide in there, and then yeah, just keep pushing, and then that's it.
Yeah.
Those are the easiest things to install. All right. Oh, you didn't take out the. You actually have to take these things out. These things. You want to take
Fine.
these out.
Does it go right here?
Oh yeah, you might want to take the protectors off. All right, yeah. So it goes like that.
Like.
The fans point down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There you go. Wait, you didn't throw away the thumb scroll. Okay, good.
Top one?
Yeah, the top two actually.
Is that. Top two.
Because you want it to get into.
Well, yeah, the top PCIe. And then you want to slide it in, and then you want to use
Do you
the
want to
thumb
put it?
screws.
Do you want to put it down the box thing?
Yeah,
No,
you might-
you're missing the PCIe. You're
you
too
might
low
wanna
for the
go flat.
PCIe.
I would do that. I would put the machine flat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You have that idea.
It's okay. You're already in there.
Oh,
There you go. And then
Snap.
here, I'll hold it, and then you want to screw this in. The moment of truth. No, that won't actually. Oh, there's a light LED there, so that's a good start. Now push the power button. And all right, fans are turning on.
Oh.
That one's not.
Both of the case fans are not turning on right. Just leave it. Just leave it.
There's lights.
It'll turn on if it wants to.
There's light right here.
CPU's on, so that's good.
Things are turning on.
Oh,
I think
that's
it's
cool.
booting
Look at
up.
this.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, we need a keyboard. No, we don't. No, we don't. Never mind.
It's good.
Oh, and we've got a post.
Woo!
Yes, I think.
Hey!
We've posted.
Hey!
We've successfully posted. After putting it together, you can put Linux, Windows, or even Steam OS on it. But you cannot put Windows 7 on it because it uses an Intel Skylake processor, which doesn't work with Windows 7, which we found out the hard way and ended up putting Windows 10 on it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment if you've built a PC or if you plan on building a PC, and also subscribe so I see you next time on Damn Random Videos.